Did you hear that guy laugh? Where was that at? That was the creepiest laugh I have ever heard.
It's by that house back there. Oh god, look at mine. It goes
Now I'm
crooked.
scared.
It goes crooked.
That's what happens when you exceed the weight limit.
Fuck you, asshole.
Oh my god.
Look at
Me and Courtney just heard very
the
strange.
scariest laugh of my life.
He was like,
I want to zoom you.
oh my god. Hey viewers. Maybe sometime. So that lap we can swing. We can swing all day. Don't my fight. Oh, thank you. Swing on that bitch.
Oh shit!
You have to put the spin in circles.
Oh wait.
Oh my god. Did you hear that guy again?
Oh shit! I love the ball.
She loves the ball.
Oh god, I'm stuck!
Oh my god. Somebody's
I
gonna
can't get back up, ready?
somebody's gonna like call the police. They'll be like, we hear a couple jackasses out in the woods past time.
Get it off of me.
What?
Zoom around, Nick.
Okay.
Zoom around.
There's that sexy school. See that shit?
Look at it.
Okay, that's enough. Let's say bye. Bye, sexies.